My name is Misha. My surname is Dengin. I am 28 ago. I work in a shop which sell wallpaper, any another beautiful wall cover. I describe Dmitry like a fun, lovely, pretty, good friend. They are playing football in PlayStation, and I play with him. I take Real Madrid, but Dmitry take Borussia Dortmund, and I'll lose to Dmitry. Then I also lose to Dmitry. Then I win Dmitry. Then we start playing football and start discuss and friendship. Run very fast and swim very fast. I think that we must change all of system education, all of system culture education, all of system medical. I proud of my parents, I proud of my friends, and I proud that my country has a long history. My spirit vegetable is I think ananas. It's not vegetable, it's fruits, but vegetable is tomato. Maybe because it tasty. Be happy, funny, lovely, and be crazy anytime. And of course, smart. Yes, it's easy to make friend in Russia. Of course, there are many normal, beautiful, good people. I think yes, anytime. Another time they maybe not. Samoilenko Anya. That her nickname. Beautiful lady. She's 26 years, and she live in Kazan. We study in our town, and she from Krasnoyarsk, because we study in one courses in my university. Ну, ты станешь веселее чуть-чуть, интереснее тебе станет, чуть-чуть. Да прикольно с ними, короче, они общаются, что угорают, тяжело понимать друг друга, но весело.